Put it in the fridge and see what happens. I'm sure you'll thank me for this. There are 2 different ways to use a cork. First, gather all the wine corks you can. Never throw them away again. You can use them in the fridge like this. Take a cork and pour a little essential oil on it. A citrus scent works great for the fridge, but you can also try lavender, place the cork inside, and let it work its magic. The second method involves cutting a standard cork. Here's how to do it. Take one and slice it into pieces with a sharp knife. Then grab a small bowl and place the cork slices inside. Add a few drops of essential oil. Put the bowl in the fridge. This way is much more effective because several slices absorb unpleasant odors faster and more evenly. Cork works like a natural sponge for smells, so it not only removes that fridge scent you'd rather not have, but it also fills the space with a refreshing aroma every time you open the door. It's a cheap, eco-friendly trick that takes only a minute to prepare, and you'll be amazed how much fresher your fridge feels.